I am Peter Chukwebuka Ugu from Akwenigbe local government, Enugu State, Nigeria. I am a final year student, music, Department of Music. I have passion over music right from childhood, and this year, by God's grace, I'll be graduating. I'll be finishing my degree. Currently, I am the Director of Western Instrumental and African Chorus, and I major in flutes as instrumentalist. Apart from that, I love music so much that whatever I do about music, I derive great joy, and I look forward to carrying it on after I have graduated. I have that passion that after here, I am going to go higher and wider in terms of music. I like teaching also. If I have the opportunity to teach, I will also teach and also direct. Currently, I also direct a lot of choirs and then train choirs, then prepare them for competition. I also do compositions. Currently, I am my final year defense is going to be on composition, and I pray that it's going to go well too. And I urge everyone who has that passion to also come forward to study music. Thank you.